Hello everyone, Akash here. If you're thinking about easiest way to color your hair, there's a 3 different shampoo in color I'll show you in this video, and you could choose which one is the easiest that you could use. Well, my favorite, I'll definitely tell you which one is my favorite. Also, if you stick around long enough in this video, if you're thinking about you have a little white hair in your beard and what would be the best product to color that your beard, there's a product I'll show it to you that very easy you could use it and get rid of all the gray you have on your beard. Also, there's a product I'll show it to you in this video if you stick along enough that you could grow your beard really fast in 7 days. So let's get started. So number 3 in my list is Just for Men shampoo in color. It gives you the natural looks you need, definitely. And the reason we're talking about this, we want something really easy to use. So if you get this Just for Men, it's gonna come with the shampoo and the color. This is the shampoo, this is the color. So the color, you could choose the one you want. If you want black, it'll give you option when you buy it. It gives you, depending on your hair, what kind of hair you have. So you could always choose the right one. The reason this is in number 3 in my list, because you have to mix it. So you gotta open this up, and you gotta open it up, and you gotta pour the whole thing out and shake it well, and you gotta use it exactly, And when I use this, I see it is good for 8 weeks. Every time when you get a new hair coming out, that's the time you see, your gray hair coming out. Besides that, as long your new hair is not coming out, it's gonna be there for you. So average I see is 8 weeks is really good for you. Very simple, just mix it up those two and just use it. And it comes with the gloves in there and instruction too. So you just gently massage it, keep it for 5 minutes, and you're good to go, and rinse it out with cold water. I would recommend cold water, not warm water, just cold water. So it's very easy to use. The reason this is in my number 3 list, because you have to mix it up. Another reason is this is my number 3 list because this is also a little bit more expensive than the other 2 shampoo in color. I'll show it to you. This one is like $11 for 1 pack, and you could get 3 packs on sale right now for $23. I have the link in description box. Again, if you're in the US market, you could always go in my link and buy it. But if you're in out of United States, then definitely you have to check out your local store. But Just for Men is a very well-known company. They've been in the business for a long time, and their product is well known in worldwide. So number 2 is a DEXE black hair shampoo. This one probably by far the cheapest shampoo, black hair shampoo out there. For me, I always look for some good deal again, but I want something that works too. So this one is on sale right now. See this pack right here? This is how it's gonna look like if you order this. This right now it's on sale, like 10 pack. You could get it for like $12. So like $1.54 per pack. That's for the cheapest. So this is already mixed. You don't have to mix nothing. This is shampoo in color. It's already pre-mixed. So you just cut it and you just take it. It comes with the gloves. This is how it's gonna come like. So if you just order that, you're gonna get 10 of this. So basically, this is also good for 8 weeks. So good for 8 weeks is simple way. 5 minutes. You keep it on your hair. You cut it. You put it all over your hair with the gloves, and just keep it for 5 minutes and rinse it out with cold water. And like I said, this is if you get the 10 pack, and this is like good for 8 weeks. To think about it, so that's like more than a year, right? That's more than a year, just $12 you spend on and also something really easy. You don't have to mix it like the Just for Men. You have to mix it. This one you don't even have to mix it, just cut it and use it. So this is probably this number 2 in my list, because reason is this is, if you look at the price thing, this is probably the number 1 should be in my list. But I only not think about the price. I think about few other things, how easy to use it. Just for Men comb in color, this is the number 1 in my list because it's so easy to use. This is why it's number 1 in my list. Again, if you get this, you're gonna get the instruction in it, gloves in it, and this is the head. See this head? This is makes it very special. So this is the tube, and this is the head, and there's no mix, nothing in it. And you just open this top right here, and you put this in like this. It's so easy. You don't even need a gloves to use this one, because you just put it, tight it, and you just push it exactly where you need it. You just put a little by little. If you don't need the whole thing, you could just keep it in the fridge too, and you could use it next time. So a lot of people don't know, not gonna tell you, the company not gonna tell. But if you got a hair, a little bit of white hair here, there, you don't want to use the whole thing, you simply just take this off, put the hair back on, and just keep it in the fridge, and whenever you need it, you use it. Because keep it cold, so it's not gonna get bad. So reason this is number 1 for me, because it's so convenient. But this is $7. This is $7. And if you get 3 packs, it's like around $20. I have the link in the description box. But again, my link not gonna work if you're out of United States, it's not gonna work. So it's only gonna work in the United States. But you could just go and check it out, Google it. Just for Men is a well-known company, so it's all over the, I'm sure there's so many countries they have that. But if you're thinking you are in a tight budget, then you always go for the DEXDE Black. You go for that one because you're getting 10 packs for just $12, and that's gonna last you a long time. So if you don't have no issue putting gloves on and putting all over, you have no issue, then you could go for that one. Otherwise, I would say just $7, but if you don't use the whole thing, you could use it a few times. And this is when you're gonna put it on, it's good for 8 weeks. So unless you get new hair coming out, it's gonna be there. And also if it's 8 weeks and if you don't use the whole thing, that's mean like you could use it one more time, so that would be like 4 months for $7. So I think it's not that bad in pricing. So this is Just for Men Control GX. This is reason I'm telling you this one. This is how the thing looked like when you get it. It's kind of like a shampoo in color kind of thing. You just put it in your beard, because if you have a little white hair somewhere, or even you want a natural look to your beard, like if you have a gray hair but you want it to get it darker and darker and give you a natural look to it, this is it. And this I've been using for like more than a month now, and still this is gonna last you a long time. And the reason I'm saying that, even like use like 3 use, after 3 use I hardly see my any black, or white hair, white beard or anything, so like it works really fast. So like even in first use, you're gonna see, if you have a white hair, a little bit here, a little bit there, you're gonna see it's gonna get darker and darker. Just 3 use, then hardly you could see it. So this way you could give a natural look to your beard. And if you're kind of person that you're thinking, oh, reason I don't grow beard because I have a little bit of white hair here or there, and this is why it's so hard for coloring my beard, because every time you color your beard, sometimes your skin gets dark too, like your skin, also you coloring your skin. This one does not do that. You just keep it on your like on your beard for like few minutes, and you just wash it out. It's kind of like a shampoo. Just put it in and just wash it off. So this way, it's just like 3 use, I see a significant difference to it. And so this is DEXDE Beard Balm. So it has like coconut oil, it has like a butter seed, and it has like jojoba oil. So like mostly natural ingredients in it, and it's pretty cheap. It's like around $6. So this one, what do you do? This is how it's gonna look like if you get it. Reason I'm saying, if you're thinking you have an issue like regrowing your beard, I have no problem growing my beard. For just 1 week I used this, it grew really fast, like really fast. So you just take a little bit on your hand and you just gently, just massage it a little bit, and it smells great. You just do it. I'm telling you, 1 week you'll see your beard grow really super fast. And it's mostly natural, and it smells great, and it's cheap. So if you're thinking about something to get, you're not sure what to get for the, this is beard balm conditioner and mostly natural oil in it, and definitely I would recommend this and try it out, because especially if you have a little hair somewhere, it has like grow really slow, this is gonna really boost that to grow really fast, and also give you like a natural look to your beard. So you're not gonna have a weird look to your beard. So if you're into beard, then definitely you should consider check it out. So again, also if you're interested to check out my new channel called Money Saving Tips, many great video you're gonna find in there. Not only saving money, many much more that in daily life like maybe about it, that you could save money on. You could check it out, that channel. I have the link in description box, and also you could check it out in my homepage. Take care.